Hello and welcome to Math Time with Nelson. Today we'll be doing radical equations doubles. So these are two radical equations. As you can see here, we have our radical equation. So our first step is just going to be write out the thing, write out the equation. Our second step is going to be squaring the radicals, because you don't want radicals in the equation because they're impossible to solve. But before this, you would have to make sure that the radicals are isolated, but they already are. So if you have a radical, say you had this plus this, you'd have to move this over here. But it's already like that, so it doesn't matter. So after we FOIL that, we get this. And you're going to have to FOIL this one because it's 1 plus root x minus 3. So when we FOIL that, we get, next step, we'll just write it all out, and then fourth step we FOIL it, and we get 1 plus 2 root x minus 3 plus x minus 3. Now what you're going to do is you're going to combine all the like terms, like I did here, and then down here you're going to take this x minus 2 and put it over here, because you want to isolate the radical. So by getting rid of these, you isolate the radical. Next you get down here, and you get x minus 3 equals 2 root x minus 3. Now you're going to want to square it again because you still have that radical in here. So once you square that, you're going to have to FOIL this, some good old-fashioned FOIL, and you get x, and well, just write it all out, and you get x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 4x minus 12. And now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take these and put them over here, because you have this kind of equation, so you're going to have to set this to equal. You're going to have to set this equal to 0. Now, I have to flip over a page. Okay. Step 10. So we combine like terms. You got x squared minus 10x plus 21 equals 0. So now we just have to FOIL this. Reduce this. So we get x minus 7 and x minus 3. And if you flip those, you get x plus 7, x plus 3. So those are what your x will equal. Now you have to check which one is correct. So I went down here and I plugged in 7. And this is the original equation. So I plugged in 7. I got 2 times 7 minus 5 square root equals 1 plus root 7 minus 3. 14 minus 5 equals 1 plus root 4, and then root 9, which equals 3, and then 1 plus 2 equals 3. So 7 is the correct answer, and that's how you solve radical equations, double radical equations. Now, there are many other ways to do this. This is the longest way, I think, and the most drawn out, but I like it because it's more like thorough, and it's easy. It's harder to make mistakes. That's what I prefer. So, thank you for watching. See you guys next time.